In this video, we'll show you how to use the profile feature in Mono. It helps reduce mesh clipping during real-time motion capture, especially when caused by differences in character proportions. This method works with programs that support live streaming with Mono, such as Unity, Unreal Engine, iClone, and Blender. If you're using Unity, similar results can also be achieved using the built-in muscle settings. A sample project is available via the link in the video description. First, integrate your character with Mono. We'll use Unreal Engine as an example. Click the Edit Profile button in the lower right corner of Mono to enter edit mode. Drag the current position slider to view the default range of arm movement. Set the slider to the minimum, then adjust the lower limit of the arm range. Watch the character to ensure the arm no longer clips through the body. Next, set the slider to the maximum and adjust the upper limit. Ensure the arm doesn't clip through the head. Move the slider to check the range and confirm the adjustments. Once satisfied, save the profile and you're ready to begin motion capture.